Welcome back. In this week's Business Review, we look at Neil's Auto Service, a business fueled by one man's passion for cars. When businessman Bonnie Neil left his lucrative job as a supervisor at bauxite company Alpart to venture on his own, close family and friends questioned his mental stability.
I was a good frontline supervisor. I know in those days bauxite was king.
But he took a leap of faith, taking voluntary redundancy in 1996, used the funds along with his pension to go into the auto service industry, a long-time passion which he first pursued part-time in his backyard at home. 27 years later, and Mr. Neil has no regrets.
We do general service, the motor vehicle, we do auto body repair, and we offer tow service.
He realized from early on that servicing and fixing cars alone would not grow his business.
I am so disciplined that I am at my work 8 o'clock every morning. We used to have to do it when we were in the bauxite industry. So the same thing that I learned, the public relation, the human resources, the safety. And I must say, thanks to Alpart. That was my university.
And as his clientele grew, so too did the need to invest in technology.
We just acquired some new diagnostic machine, and we are now servicing Audi, VW, and BMW. This we never used to do before. But we have acquired a machine to do the diagnostic check on them.
Neil's Auto Care is also a training ground for persons wanting to pursue a career in the industry.
Some of the guys who came here for training and do work with us for part-time. When we go there and see, some of them are now assessor, doing their own business. Some of them are like school, teaching, auto mechanic. And in fact, all the time they call and say, boy, when they go to foreign, they have to thank God for Neil's Auto Service because of what they learn here in terms of the discipline and the seriousness about time. Yeah, we do a lot of training with the young people. In fact, we used to work closely with Harchus and STA in terms of the young guys them whenever they come on job experience. It used to be very, very good. But since maybe to the past 3 years or so, it has deteriorated. I don't know, it's because of the type of guys who are getting at the institution, but it's not like it used to be. In fact, even the instructors from the Harchus used to come here for experience.
As for the future, investing in technology and expanding training opportunities are on the cards.
We want to get more young people in the industry.
For the Business Review, I'm Carrie Simpson.